All right, you ready?
Yep.
What's up, everybody? Been a while. Gonna make a YouTube video today with Windsor. Woohoo! We're going to be taking, oh boy, so much to cover. Okay, first of all, the Mudblood Cobra, it's gone.
Way gone.
Way gone. It's gone. Sold it. No more. Scrappy, sold. Don't have it anymore either. All my fun stuff's gone. Nothing fast. So what we've decided is we're going to take the Raptor. The old trusty. Had this old girl for going on 8 years now. 216,000 miles on this rig. Always treated us really good. So we decided we're going to keep it and we're going to try to have some fun with it. What are we doing today, Windsor?
Putting a Procharger on it.
We're getting a Procharger installed here. So right now we have the BA JLT cold air on the 6.2. Yeah, it's fun. Last time I had this on the dyno, it made 330 wheel horsepower. So we're hoping to add, I don't know, maybe 200 to that with this guy. Yeah, buddy. Procharger. We got ourselves the P1X. This sucker's gonna give us just the airflow we need to get our goal of, like I said, roughly 530 wheel horsepower. As you can see, we didn't get a complete Procharger kit. What we've done here is we've got the bracket and the head unit, and the homies at Procharger set me up with the instructions for the Raptor. And then I've got this 4-inch core air-to-air intercooler that I've had for a little bit. And then I bought a little piping kit from the old Amazon. And we're gonna build our own complete kit here. So first things first, we're gonna get this tore down to where we can get started on the install. And then I'll update you at that point. Red button.
Yep.
You going?
Yep.
Are you filming?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Sweet. All right, everybody. Come over here for a second. Come here with me.
Okay.
Look in here. Look in here. Show what we've done.
Okay.
So we got rid of the whole airbox assembly here. The cold air intake's done. We got rid of the 2 timing cover bolts. The idler pulley that was there. We got our new belt kind of in place here. And now is the time. Now we get to install the main drive bracket that holds the idler pulleys and the head unit. So over here, bud, let me show you what we're gonna do here. So, well, first of all, so we got 4 bolts, 4 spacers that we've got to put to get this bracket in place, okay? So, as you can imagine, they've all got to kind of go on at the same time. So, watch. If I put these on here, oh, there we go, I dropped the bolt. Oh, look, the spacer fell off already. Man, are you filming?
Yeah.
See how they keep falling off of there?
Yep.
I gotta have all these on there at the same time.
Well, that's not good.
Yeah, so it's hard. So here's what we're gonna do. I get this assembly goo. This is actually designed for automatic transmission assembly. So what I'm gonna do is put a gop of air on there. Got a little aggressive. Didn't need to get so aggressive. Okay, we're gonna steal some of this. But yeah, you just put some of that goop on the ends of this. Put that on there. And now that will stick to our bracket.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, it makes it way easier. It's a little messy, but we can wipe it down when we're done.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna put that on all the spacers where they mount to the bracket. And that's gonna help. Now that one's falling a little bit, but that's okay. So now, we're going to get up here and lower our beastly bracket into place.
Here. Okay.
All right, bud. What do we do?
We put that Procharger on it.
Is it done?
Not quite.
Not quite. We got to hook up a couple of things. We got to do our crankcase breather stuff. We did get the blower on. I've still got some parts coming so we can put an air filter here. It didn't show up. I got my badass PSC power steering reservoir relocated and installed. Got our custom charge piping that I had to build. That was a bit tricky, but
Tell me about
it worked out really, really well. This side was super easy, just tucked down there. Had to weld the pipe there, weld the fitting there. This one was a little trickier. I don't know what you can see. Yeah, anyway, got it and it goes up there. The whole deal. But we did it. They gotta hear it run. Should we start it for him? Let's start it for him. Yeah, go ahead and rev it. Just a little bit. All right. Well, that's it. We got to get it tuned. We got to get a couple things buttoned up, but she's ready to go. Hopefully we can make 500 wheel horsepower.